gonna try to do 3 at a time. Now when it go up, like get the you know, don't get me.
I know.
But you know when it go up, get the
fire.
You know.
Okay.
Oh shit! It's only gonna be 2. Some nice, you know, sleep. I just about to put it down. Alright. Don't stop it yet.
I won't. Got 3 more.
Got 4.
4 more.
Maybe we can do 4 at a time. That's gonna be hard. That shit stinks.
You want me to just point it up in the air?
Nah, you could point it up when
Yeah, dude.
when it's ready.
I mean,
You know what I mean? I got a few seconds. I gotta remember that because I had time to like the other one. I guess I'm gonna have a 10-year-old out here tomorrow sweeping.
a 10-year-old?
Yeah.
Who?
There's only one 10-year-old here.
Oh. That's what I saw.
I'm joking.
I would have did that. I don't know.
Alright, that's your shit then. It's gonna be hard to do all of the time. Let's see. I might can get it. Let's do this.
Light him up. Got him.
Damn, I only got 3.
Okay.
Oh, shit. Should have had the whole. Ooh. I'm just throwing the food where they come, right?
Bang, 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 bang.
I got the quiet ones out because I don't want to wake the girls up.
You got all 40?
Oh, no. It's 10 per shot.
Ready?
Ooh, that was hot.
Bang. 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 She didn't like this before. Bang. Bang. Bang.
Not in my house anyway.
That's messed up. Bang.
You know, they used to play like shooting them at people. Oh, you can stop.
Alright.
Oh, man.